Hello guys, welcome to this channel, and today too we are going to talk about, we are still on the table. So this is part 4, that's the last part, and it's going to talk about alignment and formulas. Now alignment is the position of the text. This time around we are talking about cell alignment. So the cell alignment is the text found in each of the table cell. So how do we do the alignment? Now click on the cell in the table. Now as soon as you click it, check the ribbon tabs. You can see we have layout. Now go to layout. Now when you go to layout, this side is the alignment. As you can see, this page or this small cell has been divided into 9. Now we have the first one, that is on your left. We have middle, we have right, we have middle right, we have middle left, down middle, and down right. So that is the alignment. So you can decide to choose this alignment for any of your text. Let's assume you want to just push, this text, this column here, you want to align it to the middle. You can just do that. And you want to do this to the top there or the right, you can still do that. So that is the alignment of a text. Now also one thing is, let's take this here, is that the text direction. What is text direction? That is the position of the text. So how you want it to be. So when you click on the text direction, you see how it is that you come now the same thing. So that's the text direction. It depends on how you want the text to become. So when designing the document, you can still apply this in a specific area as well. Now the other one is the cell margin. Now you see, when you go to home, we have margin over there. That's the border margin. It's around. Okay, so we have the margin. Okay, so you have margin, that's the margin over here. But this time around, this margin affects the whole page. But this time around, we are talking about a cell margin, a cell found in the table margin. So click on each cell or any cell, then go to layout. Now click on the cell margin. Now when you click on the cell margin, it asks you, this is the top, so this is the top here. Now there is the bottom, so there is the bottom, there is the left, and there is the right. Now with the left, from the margin to this side is 0.19 centimeters. Now how many centimeters do you want to set aside before it starts? So with the left, so on the left is 19. You can decide to reduce it to 5. Now see what happens. Okay, so now it has now moved it to where it's supposed to be. Now the margin, so as you can see, so there is a margin, there is a margin. So that is, so you can just decide to also increase it, cell margin, maybe I want 0. Now okay, so that's what it has now stated to 0. Now the same thing applies to this one. Now cell margin. Now let's see the right. On the right to was okay, so 0. Let's go up 25. Now let's see. Okay, so you see, so that is a cell margin. That is the space you want to leave between or beside the text. That is the cell margin. And the other one is, the last one is the formula. The formula. Now do you know also this also accepts formulas as well, not only for Excel or for spreadsheet. This MS Word also accepts formula. Now I have this over here, and I want us to, this is the sum. So we're going to auto sum this. We're going to sum it. Now how do you apply the sum? Now click on the box you want the sum to be in. Now go to layout, and now go to formula. So when you go to formula, you see we have sum above. Now sum above means the above numbers here is going to sum it. Now we also have sum below. That's it. We have sum left, and we have the right. So let's say the above. We want to total this. So when you click on OK, so you see you have now 152. So it has added everything from this side, and now you have 152. You got 40, 40, 80, 50, that is 130, 140, and 152. Now there is an average. How can you find the average? The same, click on the box and go to the formula. Now this time around, we want average, and average is AVG. So we want average. Now click on it. Okay, it's giving us error, so let's try again and see. Okay, so average. Okay, so average. Now we have the average here. Now we have the, let's go for minimum. So the same place, type in IMIN, then minimum. Okay, so 10, and now the maximum, the same. So MAX, that is the maximum. Now type in OK. So you have it over here. So that is a way to also calculate using the word as well. So these big calculations, you can just do it with the MS Word. Okay, so today we've talked about the alignment, and this is the alignment over here. We have test directions and cell margin as well. We have the formulas and how to apply each formula. So when you click on the table, you go to layout, and all these things can be found under the layout. Alright, so thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in the next video.